Hey everybody! So I decided to make brunch for my family today, and this was the star of the show. Pan-seared rosemary steak with sunny side up eggs. I'm sure you'll love it as much as they did. Let me show you how I made it. So heat up a cast iron pan and add your oil and let it get hot. Then you're going to season your ribeye steak with pink Himalayan salt and ground black pepper. Make sure to season both sides. Then you're going to place the steak in the heated pan. Sear the steak on the first side for 4 minutes. You may have to adjust the time depending on the thickness of your steak. Once that side's done and has formed a brown crust, you're going to flip it over and cook it on the other side for 3 to 4 minutes. When that side's done, reduce the heat to medium-low. Then add your butter, minced garlic, and the rosemary sprigs. You're going to spoon the butter sauce over the steak for a minute until the steak is your desired doneness. You can tilt the pan if need be. Then transfer the steak to the baking pan and loosely cover it when it's done. In a heated nonstick pan, add some butter. Let it melt, then crack your eggs right in the pan. Cook them to your liking. Some people like them a little runny. Then turn off the heat and sprinkle the eggs with salt and pepper. Now, plate the steak and spoon on some of the juices from the butter sauce that you created in the pan. Then top it off with the eggs and the rosemary sprigs. Hope you enjoy it.